Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchumu uligereria Nsoko TV, karibu sana naenda sense meiga bono yinkwana ya bene obutuko bwarero maiga yugusangane barongo Frida kiruba semesa yama yakurwa Nsoko chinsa isato nugusaba kwanenga gwesemire na kwemanya ali agendrire ase ritukeriga ya Jumaine obutuko bwemerongo bere na kana somo cyengo gatatu mwaka no gwikiri bubere merongo bere na isano ne mo buna twachigete gukurira eira obutuko bwarero twagatetinga ntuchigutwara wensemo ye bunge ya North Mugirango higati ichibunge inye iyo gutoka ase county ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Joash Inyamoko achigusangana into atomanye obakoreri uri bwayenekiwe ase ensemo ye bunge ya North Mugiranga ase ensemo ya magendro bigo oborai bwage siasa kero ensemo yense ya Kenya na bwege ensemo ye bunge ya enero monyene agenda tokuyaligania busibo bochorio bonene bumaka bwikiri bubere merongo bere na isano na ibere nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi karibu sana no toregana timu ngi makuru ase studio ya kabere kone kyango chitore kumanya wetera senchira marigine chibicha asensemo ye mitandao ya kerero twasore live TikTok Facebook YouTube na bugo sangana intune namba ito yesiminera ase screen ya gondora twari iborio na bugo sangana intwe tosange asensemera no mheshimiwa karibu sana ase studio chito.
Asante Clinton.
Werere
bya kabisa.
Na sentunde ntanga nto gutora ase studio chito na bugo mukwani mugusi na bugo murigerere
biamono musike Clinton litani ase ukongari ni ase station ye it's the first time gakintanga kabisa naende nagokire sana unakete na Nsoko maybe kale usengusi lakini ajire go discover here in Nairobi na tari goma kega I want to appreciate gasingia mo kora asoko inform abantu baitoko baso emi no ko ba entertain so ngirili bageri litangania so bateba nambia mono nkwani abantu bagusi gose abategereri bande bonspi gose bali bakurigereri your customers bakuligeri TV ya Nsoko mbia tolen kunyosuma tolegas
tuabele to kuligani sana it has been is it unfortunate asincho
hectic
nyara kotambe olegusi abantu bano tumugirango nkibagenda
abantu Mugirango mbia
no mugirango ndiole sana
no I usually metega as office here bono iga na se constituency kiagera ukora representation osekuwakilisha abantu bano tumugirango oikobe close na barogo ilindo manyangi geko ba affect so tugutumia chinga kichinyinge sana koboro like yesterday no nalenge asakuru kwa Gitwebe I stayed there for quite some time mwisonde nalenge asakuru kwa Nyamutaro as a constituency on Friday so na wato kuli time chinyinge elinde goikera abantu baito na kumanyana kibaenderete
tubate chinsa chugo kwandra mange hayo asengencho kwa vera se ground ase kike tambe tomanyana ari agenderete ande tubata manga ene kiwa sama tukabwango kurende koregega nimete no magokase abana inchi kurwa sorongurwa gusi orugima na ande mone county Nyambira ni bunge yao ya North Mugirango kurende tigatura chaka ase wikira boniga obokoreri buri kwa ene kira se bunge yago na mange tigatura chakira nsemo yechisemi na rikurigeria orobotirwa gukurwa se committee yekiganje ya CDF egotebanga almost 3/4 ye budget ya CDF nige gusira chisemi ase bunge yago korato wangu so ESEKTA chisemi ngaki North Mugirango sofa
asang actually human education usamangana yechi seminari na backbone because ekaroko nyora abana banyola education na ba wechi wetenero chesa matukari wechi motwe nende kubwa mono nere ku give abantu batwala amangana akoroku no kolengani because umwana bumutaka umwana bumutajiri asoko nyora equalization egosoa na gwetera samangana chisemi meaning that iso korum chisemi no chutwale obotaka bongana ngaki ukubeka se chance ingia yokonyolega singia for support your family we support your community so education is as a living. That's why a focus ite nyinga as a constituency ya samangana education. In fact, akesano isoko yanda sito North Mugirango. Kera ngukwa nega senjona sabili 2 terms. First term na 2017 to 2022. Ngasoa 2022 mpaka bono iga ange 3 years chika kalikoera. Igo na focus li so much as samangana education. Chisku chinyinga na boko nyona tuwa kole 1 or 2. Of course, the resources na uchiko ba scarce, uchiya ba chinke, lakini in most places, na boko anda kwa nyora na iga ege skuru ya tuwa bekire berasi, tuwa kole kiango, tuwa rosiri chi, nyomba chiri abandu, chiobo chenu, nebinte binge, hapo ndio tumejibu. In secondary school, sometimes you go give to equipment, chichili laboratory, like unabona education system tuwa tenyia, ekuga nikire skuru ya tuwa le labs, use stream ili ya science. So we also change our focus so that we're able to address issues chirichiroro na sengi nchogo ikerani ya amangana ya education requirement. Namba ibere North Mugirango tuwa 2 technical training institutions. Amone ona enge yesterday kuru Gitwebe kuru skills uchia sabana bakole secondary school, and there are some areas wako give na bakole from primary school. Amangana na air dressing, some courses which were offered in national village polytechnics, was vocational training centers, and then to what the institution to promote the other day from a technical training institution to a national polytechnic, Nyamira Polytechnic. Number 3, we're in the process of University as Agrukia. This is something here as to mapema, lakini bona igas to aikire. The contractor is on site. We are working very closely University of Kisii, and by end of this year, or by September, we might have the first intake of 5 different programs. Tuatwara a lot of hiccups, a lot of challenges. We say KBK, but at least everything now has been cleared. Yeah, so in other words, autocollegiate education from the level of primary school to secondary school, now senior secondary, colleges, na university. So my focus, the antebene backbone, ya oborai weito, also oborai wana wonoiga, no collegiate amangana education.
To follow up question, jile tura wasense mo ichise mingo choro tuere otobeke biya sense mo ye university ya Nyamira kurenda sense mo ye chibasari kumwe na rota komanya no mwana ncho North Mugirango. Criteria kike utumekane committee ya CDF ko allocate bursaries sasa ngejo intake ya baro kiwa so ase.
What we usually do, Mosque Clinton, number 1, it's so hard okora vetting ya bantu bawo apply for bursaries. Kerona sote bunge litanga ni tote tukutumia village elders na chiefs. Kera tu akagerete nantonyole abantu bomanyete emechili watu botaka. But we discovered na wesukutumia ba chief wase sub chief abantu mbo the differences as a villages, so ntwaji konyora the exact information. So one of the akoran kelina bono toko ironde wens, anybody who fills up a form, as long as he's a resident of Korua North Mugirango constituency, because into what that data, because we do our applications online. Na lieko barahisi no mwana onde bwenso in a remote place na wako nyaraga apply for a bursary. So that is the only thing that we do. Nto you go discriminate na ndeka to kora allocation oto korwa chibesa chirenga ine. Nto you go devano yere na usiniga nganaiga usoyo nganaiga usoyo na tabwate Bible. Sometimes it becomes subjective as a songo. Keroko and wanza go discriminate wanza go reach in the chinyinge chinde chire chinke. So like unabono iga karutu akora mwakoyo twaru eti bursary which we give out for anybody also mase secondary school. We were giving 5,000 per an applicant. On the way so abana bakuru muchiyo yomo bali babere. We were giving 1 no independently. So that anybody was applied. Of course, we go through that process. Kiara ndire kala bago apply Osekera bago fill those forms kwa nyora and they've given wrong information. So we scrutinize, we check. But for those ones bago qualify at the end of the day kwa nyora na banyori de kurende basari kero monto. So long as you put your ink to paper and you do it properly, you go to other problems. Number 3, we maintain registers. At the point of returning the form, if you are downloaded online, that will be the first register at the collection center. So when we scrutinize, maybe there's some information in Teliororo, we also generate another register. But one you go to a reason as to why you didn't qualify.
Asense mo yoko na rine tokore kura utoro right basaringa kimoko to in terms of chika singencho omojumbo mino okitutu masaba matuka mabega na raka ko question about echekigeta abwato ketu chase skura ya mukorende besa nchigeti account ya skuru committee yawe ya CDF kereko bwato kachichekijiga it's the account ya skuru nande ngokora muri follow up mwene kinga chibesa echoyo chikire skuru
we make sure again the talk koranto bwate people ba korega as office ya constituency kere wisokuru check ili ende skuru the attachment to a check you what a list ya beneficiaries nabo muntu akwenda nyirusi abekeli etali ngao. Number 1, because our process application process nende donge time Clinton so that I'm able to explain. Yes. Number 1, after twali credit check to issue abantu bonse parents ba abana bonse bagonyole notification unachibaza chi umwana chakole chasoire wethera system. That is the kind of information tokonyora totebe ayonye kubwata umwana and you applied okatoe number. Once the check is written you go given a notification unachibaza chakole chachire school. Now you can go and follow uboli nana ki chibasi chane chakora the chumwana chacheta because those are the details to give us a check a attachment ki atokolika the number of beneficiaries as a check number ibere especially school jiranga nanka we usually collect parents na principals na embali baguru as school chesko baicha ba witness ekero to kuru checks like itwar moisonde twanga saguru kunyamauro secondary school and actually primary school yuerange na yuere itibu ward so to go invite all the teachers all the principals twarangilia bible bakuru around that area barona tukuisha so like nyakeminja secondary school which is in West Mugirango kwanya tuwabaire chiki ya 1 million kisiaga secondary 9 million was 6 yani 900,000 was 600,000 depending on the applications. So no muibuli wato mwana was or more immediately on that notification school. So this is the system. Constituents chinga jigo tumia different models. Like when I want to go na so moske ogoro Ndindi Nyoro, a member of parliament. Ndindi Nyoro doesn't give bursaries to university students. It does not give bursaries to schools outside the constituency. So what a system. I've had people complain about the 500 but you see this person tai koru anyogo so manjiris teli keharu it doesn't give anyogo and the university KU it doesn't give bursary anyogo and the KMTC it doesn't give bursary. So most of his monies achikoba invested to school chirichebu ya constituency choke inere latitude wasili ba okonyora bakolete Wiseko and Asenavora, I just want you to think you must get Patrick or Sarah. But Wiseko and Asenavora must go to Ben Mumanya in office. He never used to issue bursaries to university students, including even Kitutu Masawa, where almost Solicitor General. So it will come from time to time, depending on the person or also in system I had somebody telling me the other day that almost Samuel Arama Mujumbo Nakuru West na akuru 22,000 na 22,000 ekaroma the number 1 Moscow ya what only 5 secondary schools within the town. You know, that's a town constituency. 5. I have 76 schools to work on. 6, secondary schools within the constituency. So, depending on factors within the constituency, we go and the constituency go Kitui South. What the ward nane. Primary schools almost what they mosquito or Nyamai. She has 380 secondary primary schools. So it will depend from constituencies to constituencies. Nakuru West, hakuna mwanafunzi hata mmoja anapata kwenda check ya university. Hakuna college mtu anapata. So nabokonya nabono kitikeli onyo go what 60 million, then you can give almost everyone. Number 3, most of the people who talk in cities, CDF Nekaro, Kiara, majority of them are working in town. Nabona yoliga Nairobi maybe negasio kora. To kumanya no mujumbo Agawat office. So there are so many factors when they talk about CDF. And they can comparison. Managed. So I just want to tell you, and it's very clear, especially to depending on which constituency you go to, depending on the leader, there are so many, vingo kora, ward minister mangana CDF.
The current state, University Nyamira.
The university is ongoing. Actually, when the president is coming once next week, I think it will be Monday. We are planning Aichempaka University Abeke Foundation Stone. That's at unless again to get change.
But that happened before Mashimo.
That was groundbreaking. That was The first time when he came, he just announced. The second time, sometime in October, last year is when we had 2 ministers, Minister for Defense and Minister for Education. They came to do groundbreaking and to give the people assurance that the university is going to be done. So he's now coming to just lay a foundation stone, which is very normal.
The last time I checked,
it's Nyamira University Korokwa, about the Nyamira State University. But once we get the actual details, they got take off properly. Then about our consultations, so far, in Nyamira, they go to Nyamira State University. Lakini wanaokonyorana maybe nechi meme chigo Kwane State, lakini wende kwa Nyamira University. Yes.
That's good. Asensemo yechisemetigato toskebo sio tonyarko ba to kwandra nimetena mange ensemo yestima kwa aligeria ya AMACHE CHIBARA tora aligeria ensemo ya administration ngake bunge ya North Mugiranga sengenjo cases cha insecurity cha very recently chinyinge na roko wa address gari koleke mongerikia negative wase getasene kemo kya banyanyimbo ensemo ya administration ngake kwa bikire merobero infrastructure wise na kwa nekyanko bwata siole bali baro office ko ikirani bolendi.
So mangana security, we've had issues chinyinge sana tai chinke, and especially as in botaka abantu baitumba bwate ubotaka barombororo. So nabako nyorana na bangina matoke babwate mugonda ko ndo kwanyoro umuntu okoreki ona chirochire naro in the recent past abusina yangu address amangana insecurity na saying incho a police station to about asagoro kuitibo to market kero to about a demonstration abantu baje bakanyisamba kusabana be school so abaskari bayengo bakarusiwa including up to yesterday na tebe tunyomba njiri cyabune tuwaro resatu chiduka kyarali ni market nendo metekere mbulego tuwa abantu barokonyora bagutara no kura no kora kigara batatu kubuna eko mochiko bobora sana asbale. So those are some of the isolated cases to mojigutwara abana bakoenda barusi kunyomba butuko, especially in that area. Baenda ba raped. It has happened actually twice. Nalindo kubuno uwichi nyomba. So na matanga ya musikio tabayanguru matanga butuko. Bantu bakababete mi bakabawura chisimi. So but we are doing the groundbreaking twagache kwirende police station so that twiranie abaskali abisi ba kole kwirende asenali tuanto kwegole police station. Asakoro kuyaka. Yaka ni factory ye chikwirende ye kawa. So abantu mbale ba actually tabia dilichikawa chi abira harvested chiomiwa baitira baskali ongete gosen twice. Elinde bacha bachikawa chikawa chirinchibwate chibasi nyingi sana. So those temptations asaywa amo tukanto kwa na banyene society that coffee factory nsabu we give us some land tukabachira police stations. Plus asane netokwa police station asakoro kubonyunyu around units injiro chinyomba njiro chabaskali tatiga batabwati office nani babwati cell tukaweka na kuagacha office yo DCC umo ACC asakoro kumagwawa a very good office asabe chief Chiospi asakoro kumatongo ntobe case office chief isato where they are also operating from. So in one of the areas to address ilinde nalio abantu baitu bako basecure.
Negati chibichana chire wasembe mwancho murigana bakoregeria kiro kwanda awasa administration nkobe chio bisinjire chiko takiro chiko dumia abana inchi una constituency ya North Mugirango naroche nkwakacha muri headquarters chi constituency but nande nkaro headquarter you went to digital hub
underneath what we are doing is not really complex. We say going to constituency na bakonyara about the CDF offices like West Mugirango, but what a very good office na nimekutana mengi ya serikali na yako koleka naime. So intwe kwenye togo kombo kana jito office na nyo wate office ba wakana rent. We requested omo DCC wekerenyo atoe a single room as to operate korwa. Lakini kwenye anende office yo mujumbe nerere at a distance. So collective in the viewers piamo. This financial year we are putting up a complex. Iyo go house including that ICT hub. As to kopeka computer. Elinde abana baito go sonde kwensura ngo tumia that facility. Elinda chakole kurende anyitumie kororo. And then at the same time we were thinking kiara sa lina tokorwa sekerenyo ntubwati apart from ikonge ntubwati bank and ntubwati nyumba era host a financial institution kantune kurende because they require certain facilities, yani when they go to certain features as a bara very sure they are safe. We discovered they are not able to pick up bago take nyombe kabireyu lakini ntubwata on the sides nyomba gete yagaji tuno mujumbo ngoro kwiri Freedom Bui a youth resource center yachite kaba condemned kiarere in disuse ya twere ruembura nero tugotumia na IBC kero tubwata mangane kabirayo. So we are planning to demolish it once we get permission Kurwase Ministry of Public Works, so then we can put up a complex where we can even attract equity, maybe Kenya Commercial Bank, and other facilities in the Babagutumia. So those are the programs to work going forward.
As okubuatira na ya administration okogeria security bagoteba na boigo oburabuna ubogo konya okay these cases of insecurity na ramwe ngino mawaziri uteneta mangana energy mheshimiwa Wandai moko ene kiwo cha kiwo is it last mile connectivity so far electricity go connect abantu ba North Mugirango ngayeke.
We are doing up to around 57%. The what about 44%? Asilimia 44 hatujafanya. And as a country we've had challenges. Mbono nkaite materials chansa kuicha transform imete. we second constituency yetu na bokonyora about 2-3 contractors working at the moment in some areas to call most of the preliminaries siga sirtin tangani cho identify abantu bogende konyora umuriro so but ogo ntutara koraba no kuba connect kweli transformer nilindi babe connected the Kenya Power and Lighting na beko mochikoirenga kintambe wa identify contractors nendo metete what te koli contractors ebaigasi gusaba contracts ekarwa metene budget te koli teyo gusaba materials njiyo chisaine so we are at around 56% connectivity. We hope ntonye sukio jumotwe to ikenonye 70 or 80 as we move towards 100%. But what we also encourage abantu abange unaalisina ngikitwe bana bagende bakora solar lighting. And solar lighting is fairly cheap. Tebuati operational costs because once li roro marawa chitaji kokora kichiwork. That's what we encourage, especially schools. As if for lighting only, we can use those solar way of lighting. Ilinde toke even bills it when the work anu to naliokonyara abantu wa testimony through.
Tutaracha so tosa sense mo chipare ndo tukora sense mo ya magendero ribodi ndiri ya chirega Murikito Steven Nyariki kurwase county ya Nyamira na akora roboti ya saba onchiro ya bare kwemurungania barigetie kunganyirwa kurwase geti yesanige kegutoka amagwagwa. Are you privy to any information ande asenge chabana nchi abumbe soke bagatebanga umurubiri yo kwa gachuku iguru kwegeti ekyo yale ngorro but chieka chikwento gutumeke echire grabbed igaiga seba kunganyigu ere unfair sebare. Are you privy to any information?
I'm privy to that information. Kera, what happened? The former regime, what the program you call a stadium in sana as igetigi sanige. So ikachelewa kidogo because that time they had even given a contract you call a stadium and they had identified as rende yangu chikwagacho. But after that regime left, ikairenga kintambe ko once a program we united. Up to the other day, when we spoke to the president and told him yes, there was something here when they go chagaiga, when they go chabono. So eliyekaraba twara some issues, nekaraba what amangana public participation. Kera there's nothing. The project they are calling massive. Over to abantu they have to give a tick. They have to endorse. So they can have a public participation. Then the nursing in Jokonyarama on Gurasa. That's when issue ya machuoicha. Kerabon after Lidibe Bakaratigasinini about 3-4 years ago. Naigekora machukutora some issues. Lakini the bottom line nilina abantomba anjirani study mwekoleki. And any time, any day, when the government a project in the ons, compulsory acquisition. Yani to kwenye teneni. To teneni, una gente kenge cover because injetinda ancherana. Kiara nabora ancherana inchen kanas your neighbor, oso muamate. Lakini any project. And what they do, compensate of course at the right price. After valuation ya very done. Igobono stadium elia nature yagachu. It will be done. And then they know what they want to cooperate. Kiara naroche the public participation na lengoro. But we get reports. I spoke to the coordinator ya National Land Commission. And I got a brief about what problem. Nelina bantu bago feel umeta bantu ngo resist any change. Especially garode na bano wikonga nyumba ya ukorwa. Maybe no obe mwae netia bantu bali mwanje tororo you know even take a there is that attachment to what I say property in the house. So
but then you assure them nga process nature of fair so that
of course it will be very fair. It will be very fair. Serikali de tikoro pesa kurwa sabantu kunereria abantu. Teo karabayo.
Tiga tusikabasio mheshimiwa tukwandiriga aso kwa nsemo ya magendero. It is alleged from your colleague members of parliament nga abajumbe bali more affiliated to the government ngo more favored in terms of konyora chi project cha magendero iga especially kilometer chukwa gacho chipara. Is that true? And if not, nsemo yebunge ya North Mugirango nsemo chipara so far na kilometer irenga wikiri osenchiri chigendera te kwa gacho tamaking maraming.
Actually it's not true. That's a deficient way you kwana. Kiara mujumbo ndebwenso okore ocholetwe iga choletwe chokorera abantu bae nene tumetena monto bwate budgets ne serikali ile korete kiri yororo so ndo wendi kuobo ago chiko sabe binte ebyo una sengencho maybe otali ase kwerende ase ipatili ko rule. There are so many things. Look at what is happening in Nyanza. Na abe surprised muisonde kana wete abaskiba Nyanza about Homa Bay County, which never voted for this government. Tayari tukura naona ya. Onye chiabengo oche ngichi nketu. Lakini nkayo bago tena banyori 500 kilometers of tarmac. 500 kilometers of tarmac. With the 500 kilometers of tarmac, igengo kuruga Nairobi astole, otirimboke mpaka Mombasa. So you can imagine that amount of distance.
That is spread across financial years, across serikali ya office. 500.
Bono igae.
Koto 2022.
Kiara chipara wadi chioka in the former regime were only 2. Ne contractor nyore agoreki ya chiri. I'm just only following the statement which was made by the leaders Koruhoma Bakery President Yango on Sunday. 500. Iga the former president Umoske Uhuru Kenyatta. Unakuru office kuru Kiambuga running through Muranga, Kirinyaga, Nyeri mpaka Nyandarua. Chiparanjire kwe ubakuru kama Umau Road. Yeah? That's almost 700 kilometers. Yani yenga noruga na Mombasa. Nendo tiro kuru Mombasa uiche mpaka saguru kumutito ande. That is the amount of kilometers. Chigoro she pale nele chire dual. Ichinde chire kuru nseme ne chine chigabense chiri chigwera na gochaye. The dual.
No, it
will depend on how you play your politics.
That's what I'm asking.
Apana, taliboigo again tonkelina ki no nekero mogui karansa as a leadership. Do you have a common agenda? I can tell you na bagere babwate nderu kuna dual. They are properly structured. When they call for a meeting as a leadership, they approach things together.
Mheshimiwa Warengo naro kanarero siaya.
Warengo taengoro. Bangene president. What I'm trying to tell you is how intwe unegesaku togo place yasa yaito. How we play our politics is what counts at the end of the day. We sokonyo abantu bali scattered. Abantu bago blame each other. Abantu bago distort information out of their weaknesses. Yokonyo at the end of the day abantu bago suffer negesaku.
North Mugirango kilometer irenga kwa hilo.
We are doing about, is it 37? Kiare Paranere Urutombe. And Isinta. Actually today is 25th Naibago siye katenda as mambi. Yeah. Etire iga mpaka Saguru Gitaru. In other words, it's connecting North Mugirango na Borabu constituency. Paranere to wade Gurunya Musi, yani Gurucha Bera ya Etanya Musi, ya enda Saguru Kyogo Chumabariri. Ya connect North Mugirango na West Mugirango. Ya end up kwenda kurende Nyamaiya, which is in West Mugirango. Yeah? So it's not true. Information yona na yani wana ndio iko nyale bintasenge incho.
Tutaraso sense mo
all members are equal. That's what I want to say. All of them. Olio got the big and the keys because he's failing to do again to kilia wenda okora.
Tutaraso sense mo yegetange kireria kerero SGR yubwateriberera ritindi na karansaga iga matukamaga no mujumbe omino kuranse mo ibunge West Mugirango toka kwandra mwarokana matukabonge bajumbe bonsi banyamira mogokoreta rukurigeria amagendero a response I think the government ya Kuwait bunge ya North Mugirango out of inspection it mwakorete na ki project yegendrete.
Actually inchire konyora chia nyorirwe. Let me tell you the other got one basis ye kurende Kuwait funding yeast in 2008 after the problems ilicha betororo after elections. So there's a phone coming here and I really want. So what happened is that chiba sicha when the co was assist chiskuru chicha better affected because chira say boundary ya Rift Valley na Nyanza ya Gusii. Abantu bali barustiwe basere tukuru asicha ichigotorwa. Abantu barwete ase bamenyete Kericho, abantu bamenyete chinsemo chirie. Abantu bali karo bachite kuja Gusii umete ntubwate bolemo. Abachite bakabera chiskuru ime. Then umujumbe wengoro ukorukwiri Freedom Bui. Together with a team almost get to Judson na Nyabuto from West Mugirango. They did a very good proposal which they forwarded to Kuwait to assist those schools which were converted to Chikwere and IDP camps. As when I Konge, which were gotira. So the beneficiaries for this funding Yalenge, West Mugirango, yani North Mugirango, na Burabu. At that time, North Mugirango na Burabu which had one constituency. So it was only North Mugirango that went to go benefit and by extension Burabu. But when we came to Bunge, ekarana soeto tukaenda to plead ne president Moske Uhuru Kenyatta, ne deputy president ya William Ruto, and they accepted to fast track that funding. Kiara by that time 2017 when they take off. So they said now aseng injurende jiskuru chinde chianyoro konya in the absence ya Kuwait, why don't we spread this money to cover the 4 constituencies? So basically funding ya Kuwait jiskuru chinyinge chiko benefit ne cha North Mugirango. Chirange 22 na Burabu. Chirange 15 e chinde chiko nyore chinde 10. So generally, some of them chaired projects. Some were given to bad contractors. Awatara colleagues ile went to kolekana. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Aso gutubeka byago. Nteto mwanchu murigerira torero mutumukomo kego as studio akabere to kwirana to kwandre ingane ya letredi berera ye area SGR went gweta ikonge irinde tirimbo ko chense meri go chikisubwe utamboka go Uganda. Tuskare korena torasika getari getamba.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bumugusi onye kubwateri ibolyo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsiguro yemirobuli yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya 5 na limo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omuguse. Eye Nensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho murigeria sense mega ya kabire mbya mona soko gendra gusangana intwe na bono ntete toso asengana ya letire ribirira sama tukabonga ntete turategera chinkwana chumeshimiwa Joash Nyamoko kago kwana I think abulitko rigora sense mo ya getwebe gakoenekeria humo Nyamira na bwigo mumenyi wensemeria ye bunge ya North Mugirango na ndemo no ikongenga gitange kireri ngechigu etororo na bwigo estene chikobe kwase enseme yokoenekyo koburiko kwa bantu nemesigo tokwerana tumanye kuigo kurwa sari
abantu bakwane SGR throughout SGR yegweta Nyamira se constituency ya North Mugirango tindaro ndi bwens okuruoro gusumura yondi bwens ku North Mugirango kubolie igoro SGR wale watu ambao wanaongea juu ya SGR wengine ni kutoka nje, but we have the information that we have SGR ambayo inapita hapa. It covers about 4.9 kilometers as a constituency ya North Mugirango, na ile ambao kidogo watu walikuwa wanataka kuongea sana juu yake ni juu ya station ambayo inajengwa huko Ikonge. Kwa hivyo is an assurance that we have a station ama tuko na stage ya kubeba mizigo, iko stage ya kubeba binadamu wale ambao watakuwa kisafiri na hiyo SGR, na itawekwa huko Ikonge. Kwa hivyo I'm just asking the leaders wasiwe na mislead watu. If they want to seek information they can watafute hiyo information mahali iko. I know the initial design vile ilikuwa haikuweko hiyo station haikuweko, but we requested the president when we had a meeting with him in October last year huko Kisii wakati alikuja kuabudu pamoja na sisi. So tukawa na mkutano tukamwambia aweke hiyo station. Kwa hivyo it's going to be there and there is no question about that.
Mheshimiwa, at least you confirm initial design inquiry roche. But are you sure about the other design yego chikobeke station na sense ma Ikonge? Asenjo the initial design station yokora yaengo.
You see, Mosque Clinton number one, you know, any project egokorwa by the government, there are people who are affected. Abantu who are affected. Abantu who project affected people. PAP. Project affected people. So, abantu who are affected in the entire Nyamira, North Mugirango. I've said it covers 4.9 kilometers. So, from the inception, discussions in the Chiege Mangane Railway have been involved throughout. We've done public participation. We did it as Omo MCA Okorokwa Magwawa, Omosko Okorokwa Bell. That was the first meeting which we did. We were together actually, Naba Chief and the leadership. They've even have a small subcommittee. As abantu walibonse were affected. As a train iliyogoeta, as a surveyors baka beacons. So the initial arrangement was totally crossing station. Crossing station is as a Chigoetana. But we pleaded and actually petitioned government with the first consultants. Una riba atokobeka crossing yani ya etaiga with Katobeke stage. We had a discussion with the president. We had a discussion, we told him and he accepted. The other day, a Director General of Kenya Railways was in my constituency as a station. I went to Kobeku, National Land Commission, about less than 2 weeks ago. So, ekenegen to gigo chakoboro, the details it just get tangani. Oyalenge crossing, alisirende chigo etanere ya moyatenena yende ya eta ilinde ya nyaroliba yokora kerge tangane kama keroro. At least into moyetene ne gego eta. But the confirmation nelina train lingo eteralia nende we love that interest ya majirikova generated in the leadership. A problem nelina we want to play politics around it. I had one very senior politician wadane getange kialenge kaende bosongo kaende mpaka nyakembene South Mugirango ndege chigotira. It cannot, that's crazy thinking. Kiarendo kabiringi okolekana. So ekerotote they go excite the masses. Abuno toko enda tuakora bube. and you are doing it for political expedience. And no matter the way they want to put it, which is a fact. Ekere aicha engaki ya Uhuru Kenyatta ekarua Mombasa ekarabano implementation ya okoru ega Naivasha. Naivasha alisi ya enkwenda sagurugu special economic zone which is there. So abantu banza ukwana this train is going in a railway to nowhere. Asta ya enkwenda ya rally ya kirero. So the second phase, which is now phase 2, nere yue koruga aiga etirimboke mpaka Malaba, yani mpaka Kisumu Mboleo, which is about 267 kilometers. So ekarego etabo, it's covering about Chikwerende, Chi county, including Nyamira. So generally, I just want to confirm to you, Clinton, that a station ekobogoli mesigo, a station ekobogoli abantu, a station egoja kobore train egoja atenena, inapokea mizigo yapokea abantu bali batete go travel going towards Kisumu, towards Uganda, towards Mombasa, asigo chigo cha Nairobi will be at Ikonge.
But then mheshimiwa ya chakiu. So which design is being used? Asinga into the initial one, stage angle.
They keep on changing. Nende kwende yonse no karo mundago chisa ego site kwa gache nyomba une nyomba ebono ya gachirega. It doesn't mean nege ndogeliga ansete nege akobeka gyoka na ndiro ja kwanya ro muntu chiro tebina badilisha hii. But the fact in Elina there will be a station. The bottom line. The bottom line is that there will be a station.
You serve in a committee ya lands as a bunganan. The process yogo kora land acquisition na compensation na kiyabe kiru bolimo the Kenya Railways Authority ya market the public participation whatever kwa negati hase nsemo bunge yabo na kiaba na nje obago chi ko benefit and what is the formula
valibons bao chi ko affected yobako ba notified litangani Keroba very notified what the project nature public participation ngo ko really tangani so that we understand what the one kero compensation is ko done even to be required make number one we got to know the ownership of the land maybe there is no case na onye kina kero ke be sorted out very fast so that the get train iligo jagoeta osekere land iligo jakoirwa neserekali kwanya orane budget yo kora compensation na rongo very factored as a project eli so that bali endemero yabe koirwa ba kanwe kubwate kana no bonene buwe megonde yue koraki megonde yue koirwa liro bali koirwa so again don't get in you must have documents chikworokia. Number 2, once the evaluation is very done, which will be done by National Land Commission. You took oversight, wasn't oversight as the chairman of lands, NLC. Bako ali rube offer. Bako tena ato je wakana chwe singa naiga. Who accept kwa sign kwa vairaneli so that money is now paid to you before a project tara take off. Instances so konya rabandu batara hakanwa na liyo konya na maybe mungu sana nokoleteki noro usekwanyora titles inchiyo kena bokonya na gwatairuo bolemo lakini toraligia your title kurwa se the main title yo muiboli oyibugende ko sangana abana bamino usekwanyora nikina ngoleteki keroro. So generally that's how the process you
at least you know much and whatever kwa very from the beginning how much it cost this first project.
I can't give you the figure from the top of my head, but it's costly.
It's costly.
Yeah, but it's worth it at the end of the day because again they connect the East African countries all the way to DRC Congo. Even to be covered was sufficient kwa urahisi. I mean, assuming that import quality kendo was building materials, tiles. You talk about the Togo and you import to China, Ujibeke Meli, Chike, Mombasa, and then we get train Ikonge. You know, 264 kilometers from Kisumu mpaka Naivasha. Yeah, this train is going at 120 kilometers per hour. It takes you only 2 hours. Koru maate kurende, assuming they go to Namono, the maximum it takes is about 3 hours. Kwanyara kwarule Kisumu Malaba, yani Kisumu Mamboleo to Nairobi. That's how fast this thing is able to move. Apart from lane stoppages, you give an allowance of a few kurende. Lakini kwegura maana SGR.
We've had years conflicting.
It should not be conflicting.
Kenya bado atalipa bange bateva kiganjankero infrastructure fund. You know, now which is which, there are huge amount what you can't mention the figures of it. Alone.
It's not alone. It's not alone.
Where are we getting the money from?
We have said in private public partnership, where sometimes you're given one like this expressway. It's not alone. Alone. Ine parayaro setue oetera se arrangement ya PPP. What we have a Gorokua Rironi Nakuru, this dual carriage is also the same program. We are also using our own resources, like the pension schemes, the monies we have for NSSF. That's why we developed again the Egokuna Infrastructure Development Fund, so that we can collect money from our savings, from HHR pension schemes. Where there are some of the resources which we have.
So you are confirming tonight abantu baikonge
station sometimes when kwara volume school India nyago participate India nyago kwara name India Kenya Railways. You know, it really hurts. Let me tell you what mine. Obo ekero konyora volume ontogo tena wata ne train ya ngo ichaya na mpaka Bosongo. Elitalioro kini talioro kiniro whether was nengo lyoko anda kwara nderege ntoiga. A train no mai tobo tambe bwae nende na kieko genda. In fact, they try as much as possible to limit chikona, because naboko nyora at that speed at 120 kilometers per hour speed you with naboko nyora it's wake kona sini nigo konyora yeo correct. The science, the small science naboko nyora yeko so ekero tena bano ya ngo ichake wikasotik mpaka Bosongo maudiri mboka enda usengo cherali. You know, we should also be sympathetic in terms of treat information talk about the public.
But at least to set
we don't do it for politics. That's what I'm trying to say.
But at least to set the record straight, and maybe we'll wait to hold you accountable. Navarabu, habakuru conflicting.
Lakini ena vara kole gwanyo waleno bantu wage chiku batena ujige ntegitia tukerusio.
Tikatusikiwa sio manchumo higaria tora swabona sobora ibwage siasa ebunge yawe ya North Mugirango mheshimiwa Nairo Murati kwa magega sokwane kia siasa kurende tikatora tekera chinkwana chiago gaiga kwanya tekopa goko ene kiekero kwa renga sobo kwa ribwa kase bunge yago inde tocho tumanye what is happening in North Mugirango.
Sabe abantu bamwe umuzibuso ono asara ngayugwira ke honest echebe na tebana ninzi ngiyukumo yajo ikwa kiango yoyo ukwana wapi tobini kiango inero ugambe 1997 parliament yetu isakoyando igora nala abantu banga na mingi atebe sabe abantu bamwe umuzibuso ono asara ngayugwira ke honest echebe na tebana ninzi ngiyukumo yajo ikaranza ajuikaranza na babu winu abandra ebo siyowaje ngiyugwira tebe ngiyugwira yodolia kiango abantu baramurira bagumina mutunde yaso ibagocha goitsabadete na bateri bazikuri mbarabia watu
mukaji gotebana nabono kiango yoyo
Wancho Mugiria chinkwana wategeragwo ni chi Mheshimiwa Joash Nyamoko kurende Mheshimiwa Kiango inera nabwate chinkwana chiukwereneria arafu tumagocha tuigukura sense mu Mheshimiwa ngaki emerobirio yabere chigane chinkwana chi Mheshimiwa Joseph Kiango
mukana chigotebana nabono Kiango yoyo no watire nabono nanga yara ikaransi injo monto mungaini bona munande kabuna mondo chende iga nonde busibwa inu gamuroje no muntu ndabwati obongo ndarengereri ose como beka iga akwana manganaye enje nkwana manganane ayaye na atioka
ekiga kongo kiase siasa cha North Mugirango nchiraba una chiritwaro rirase amatukabwango gakurende. Do you have personal issues?
No. Honestly, Monto they only get na Kiango. Kiango mete we actually there's a time Kiango yake ko ndigia chikobol chikura in 2013. Tukabera nere Public Service Club. In 2013. He persuaded me to join Lina Lengengete Yala. I want to believe so. Kiatango contest. So akangira to Karanza and we agreed. But one karona chigo soka kanyorana Mosketi Modusira had more influence as ODM and they no, don't waste your time. The only problem is sometimes I'm very sincere. So nabongote wana yale.
Sibuka.
So team agandena no ntwe we have already earmarked someone for this. I participated in one rally in Ekerenyo. Ekero Moskera Odinga Jeto. So we had Charles Geni who was also kumbenere Oyondango go promote Moske Timothy. So I said, I don't have a chance. So that was Kiangoi, as saying, but I was not able to go because of that position. Maybe that's the time I would have been an MP, because I contested as a party, Kenya National Congress, almost Peter Kenneth, but I lost. And in 2017, we were in the same party, na Kiangoi. Ere no mwaka Nyambati. And we are very close friends, actually very good friends. And I don't have anything personal, and I have a lot of respect for him. Kiagara is a leader. He's been there. Even when we were putting the teams together, I remember we went for a retreat, and we did very well. I just want to appreciate that toward any single issue. This reaction, and I'll not even want to go further than that, because sometimes people throw things out of spin. Yeah, you see, like people are telling him that one is meant for the museum. You didn't hear me talk about a museum. So about distorted information. You know what I was saying really is that one Oliga went to cover as a counselor, to advise or mentor people. Okay? And that's an opinion I gave, not to demean, that's why I was giving these examples here, Kinababu. If you go to parliament today, the youngest member of parliament, paraded, Kinawere, young people generally. The kind of government we have at the moment, the governance structure, is presidential. Unlike the ministers, nowadays we do most of the work as storage committees. So at the governance structure, it doesn't mean that you cannot fit. At the end of the day, I was only giving my opinion because apparently, when I was addressing some issues on security and but if it offended almost Kiango, I'm sorry for that. And if it was distorted and people are trying to make political capital out of it. It's a bit unfortunate. There's nothing I can do about it because I've seen from time to time it doesn't matter now because it's water under the bridge. Again, I'm the serving member of parliament. At least I was given a mandate. And I'll be defending the seat unless I change going forward, which is unlikely. And it's not my nature. Abuse was covered so harsh on my barito compete in Europe. It's not my cup of tea. I don't do it. But sometimes nabakonya kwa giviri ekwerende enkwana gete yamajikoba distorted. And then you know the same person oibantu okwano gorokiangoi is also full of propaganda. Maybe that's the way he conducts himself. Kiagera na igwa gotebia abantu na naroka abantu bachaje nabagere. I'm not so primitive to call people nabagere. Then abagere are actually my best friends. So ndiro ranyora abantu bago kwana ibintu bindi bitiri bagwente kwagacha kwanyara mbiri korake mbiri kwagacha. Let's be careful. That's what we tell our people to seek as a leadership so that we're able to move which mutu.
Una yumura yora obono and we are heading to elections come 2027. Nothing in Chona rote nsemo yebunge North Mugirango. Aba msiembaro bekire nsemo ba chore side ba kwegera ensemeiga nebambaro bavande bakabeira ba MC ba sokire. What do you think North Mugirango ahead of 2027? Is there a need yogo beka banda begama buna yumura yorekerogo so that more differences will affect the leadership and perhaps development going forward?
No, we have tried on so many occasions. I'll give you an example. Kero to Watamangani University. Actually, I was left alone to fight for it, including Abandoliba Anglo University answered. They didn't want to support it because Abandola was you are gaining political mileage. But sometimes we do it because so a leadership and they don't see a choli don't have to what our MCS to what Mugavana. Imagine only the talk colleagues 4 constituencies to what all the MCS were elected, were nominated. Tungekuwa tumepiga hatua sana. It's a bit unfortunate and you know it from this media house. If there is one county that told a lot of issues, challenges, ichichi answer okay about Nyamira. Kwara about 2 assemblies. Yeah. Nkwara abantu na bakorwana niyo very smart impeachments nini paka bandu bagateba babekiru Kisumu you know even tebiri bitagwente kobo. We are living in the 21st century 64 years since independence to went into differently ntogwende tikoba na nin tutogongo sawachmaega anabantu bagorunyamira libantu wende usawachmoto. This almost affected Kisii County. If you go to Omabe, apart from the issue between the governor and the deputy governor, there's nothing. If you go to Machakos, it's very quiet. If you go to Makueni, the same. Very quiet. Go to Kilifi, the other side. So what I'm trying to say, Ruoti, Belina, kero ka historia alikwe. Igeko likune kero, baba nyamuku, baba nyalibo, baba MCS, baba engali. We were not able to make so many strides as saying so what I try to do as much as possible to come back to your statement, your MCA, we are ready to embrace each other.
Tetuska basi tukorera wende tonyore na mabori abere atatukurwa saba na inchi okoba yebiro korinda mabori na rega igabere. You are considered tura chora musimamo. Because even the failure of the by-elections as a Nyamira in terms of the side government, some people blamed you. I even personally witnessed Chinkwana Chaga Samatanga, I think no more Senator Senator Gono, we come to Nyamira, Kogatabanga candidate, and it quite to Mashimua Matian. Do you take responsibility on what happened as a by-elections in County Nyamira, where the government lost terribly?
They didn't lose terribly. That's the terribly is wrong. They lost actually. We lost, and we really want to say, during the by-election, then my brother Karundi Wensi ako and asked Chikura. Kerakubuga when they were accepting Ogoleki Obuiru.
Was supported your candidate, Veserakari?
I supported fully, totally. You know what happened? Let me tell you about the Ango Mugano. And you'll allow me to do it. Kera, you raised it. Number one, you know, Ekero Fred Akurungumbu. I chair caucus ya members of parliament. He called me.
You said that in public.
Yeah, he called me. Agantebye ngo ichande gusi, but I could want to meet abantu bagusi. Abajumbe walibaro. Ntobwate ekwe in the WhatsApp group. I circulated the query. People reacted differently. Abantu bagadenga to na kito uchioro. So I was also giving him feedback. Ngamadeno moske ekorrekana nagaiga abantu banzirokora kumusanana. And he took offense because he was wondering nasiki abantu abana ba minto abunte tego sangia na rure Washington DC, just a cup of tea. Una muntu gwenzi yoragani okorake. So agande Josh, what you do onya abana ba minto bangire. And I'm quoting him. Inchuno anaibweka. So nkanyarabana abandi bakunga keresimi abajumbe bali baminto bagonde na kanga tubegetia so mtandao kanga watu wa keresimi quietly to endoro. So the long and the short of it is that we went, so we went with 7 members of parliament somewhere in Karen. We had a cup of tea. Unatoga soka abantu bakire president yesimba kamatena kai otenya mungu na akoraki has bolted out. You know, when you give such a report, it becomes a bit, you know, president George Okumena ine na mukonende baje gusangana na matiyangi kera banyarandire to asangana tinere karango saboku abiroma na nwense na matwenge na machogo na some other elders no Moscow Solicitor General with permission from the president.
Saboku abira igoro ya.
I mean ndire baje bakabuna buwa and he felt that maybe kama amekosea kigangende saboku abira. And I'm giving you facts. Tolina Steve Menge, Jimmy Angwenyi, Muzaka Liusreto Boaz, yani macho ukwerende aliye constituency ile kisi ujumata ujitiri Bonchale mwako oli nakengoro Opole and 2 pastors. We met somewhere in Karen. Agateva banyana wasirintete ko koraki, you know, ABCD. We finished. That's your kitu imeisha. So, bon elitoja usangani nilie Carolina debetena no as kwerende, you know, we had a cup of tea, and then that information igasoka na agorete ya soget. Okay? So now essentially I stepped aside a bit. So because he now expressed the interest, you know, we kept on now talking. I was there, the first meeting, and I was chairing that group throughout. Professor I did it myself. Most of the programs which were implemented, it's me who did.
Including candidates.
Born a much later. So once we did it, so I was now identified with this other group. And I was leading that team. And everyone. I was actually leading the team. So, by election, candidate. Mimi, I took that candidate to Jeremy. We met somewhere in Upper Hill. We had a discussion. But that same day, the president calls me. Yeah, he called me. He was outside the country. He called me from there. On the Josh, how are you? Fine, fine. And they know what I want you to do is ABCD, end of the candidate. Yeah. So he didn't give me time. He called me that time 3 times. What happened? And I want you to play a leading role. tafuta candidates, fanya hivi na hivi. So that was the turning point again. Okay? So ngayanangaligi Francis Amenya, tukaligi, no, and even the nomination, yabaska abande, including Nyansiongo.
Out of conviction, was just
out of conviction, because I'm a UDA member of parliament. What disappointed me is that karabono information ya chedo chali, waya ngo anagego sigikina, yani nkarorekana as a traitor. So I said, let me just stay tiambere guy. But you know, after that we had, you know, a discussion with the president. We just said tukakwana kwana, and I 100% supported the party Igorende. UDA, the candidate. Totally. I want to tell you that. Lakini umete wili abantu, ego dependa na kibaji waka chikura. So there was no double, na wase na... Yeah, number 2, onye ndiribono ndemo inali mpaka wano kanga no wache ama no bumbu ate kanga kuna ninge kwa nimenyanganywa kitambo. I lost so much during that time, yebitina viria. That is the time even the group elitole na barobo bata etuko ruzi university ya Bonyoru mpaka none president kwa bona issue ba tena no Nyamuko cheated you.
So do you regret
as in
go and they can be
no, but that's where I belong. That's where I belong. It's only that, you know, ekero konyora na bantu ba Komorekera maise kero moko bana barobo. Sometimes abantu unainche bono yana bongo take you know I let it slide eruororo and that's what I did, but in essence tindina gosedabo. That one I can tell you for a fact.
Report yo mwari nde tukorere gaiga sometime back ngwa ratinga nkuriore kiruke governor we kakati you shifted, you've never addressed oto manyingi kia vete
kelina yango kwana senje obororo actually, you know. No ane na yango kwana na mu governor, you know, that time no embono ntonye gotwara a very good working relationship no mu governor. I just want to confess we come from the same constituency.
You are testing the waters.
No, it was out of annoyance. Number 1, na very persuaded on so many occasions. Lakini asing enjo wake sabu kwa no Muskoyo, we come from the same constituency. Mugavana. You go there, he loses, you also lose. Kera, you are targeting the same support base. So you gonna look and no too. So enga kilia ka ngongoire ako no de bana ngunyunya swale mbese chisuguru cha North Mugirango chinga gosena ki, you know, he used to talk about so many bad things about me. Nende rega assume that nothing into maybe that must go develop interest given the fact that in injo monto o UDA wega korwa kwende aseito. So in his own thinking maybe angolge lora no Moscow kana bara masio korake. That's my guess. But inanya go develop that interest.
So was it a strategy you go neutralize the
asere osenje
asaye neutralize the
no ilinaga ikiraze tena bwana umuntu kanga na murwani onyendira ngo toka, but you know in the process na devana no ene kiruge kina bongo korake kibuli nyeto ko lose to lose because that is the easiest way of losing that seat. Kiarenze kwa na bona ile quarter of the votes chiae osengira half of the votes osengile 3/4. So Montoni wense kuboli karugi county we kabua elitanira korake era very solid elinde bona ichinda tobereri assuming that nabaromba what the candidates kuruchin so
tetogora go mweshimiwa tunyore chida kaisana torarigeri birengerero byabana incha senjo nabaro babere bakorigereria kurutoka chagete kirotoka nyete kubwata chisimi ibere isatoga iga chujumbe nchire cha chirega nire nasoma gega gotebanga Steven gosaba kwa vera Steven nyabuo cha ugutu agoteba kuru nyaututu timeti ekinsemo ke
North Mugirango
agotebanga barabuo mbago sirete kero kware korige chikura kurende batigere maega agotebanga we have no hospital in Bokeira. Number 2 chipara nchiringia stima tiringia last mile connectivity agotebanga wengine awajaona huko Bokeira turo chibakorera bari kwa baibire. Is that true?
In fact, if there is one place na koregas nende kurwa businya ututu agoteba nyaututu is one place to arosi skuru buya Musikio Samuel yao kwana moisonde ntwakorete Matongo Primary School tukanyebeka buronge kabisa school erebia ase naraguru kuongera twaenda tukagache kwerende twagore twae bus ujige Konge which is also in Bukeira. ESTIMA nagenda kubegose no mobiro. There is a contractor working somewhere there. We are saying to we can be at the same time, but from the top of my head I can tell you the amount of work we had. Moisonde no twegora ase deep injire ko enda ase Dr. Migiro nona beke chief's office ekwe unakwana
Teatre go yo Chris Migega kyagoteba. Hello Ensoko TV. Hello Ensoko TV. Waire byango to sanganera. Mante dio yake nali mheshimiwa wara ko iguri bodi yao.
Biamano.
Bodi eri masinge njona bangi bala sera ini abambi nona barubanya orali bagali go sangana no mheshimiwa. Timete usiku gure pare yu abodiri.
Ya nyaobe akwana.
Agote banga iranero ya ngo lakini tera ikirani go korosi pare.
Ya korucha bera ya nyaobe. Ya tira uchinya musine na kwana lirie. Ya taenda go chigekendo. Uchuma baliri mpaka nyama ya mwino. Those are the roads to the korosi bana ya.
What banga by 25th ngo siaka bale tenda
which is tomorrow.
Igo pare korosi guru manchu muriga tutwara wo. Hello Nsoko TV waire ngotoko sangana.
Waire buya Clinton.
Waire buya.
Nkwanda li mheshimiwa Nyamoka kwa studio hiyo ya Nsoko.
Ama igaikire.
Neke nyanze kerabo. Yaro na te ba ngogeza kabisa no mbaligire kabisa mheshimiwa mnalo kaenda kwa moji hapo. Mheshimiwa biole.
Biamano kabisa kenyanse kerabo.
Ko bijise amujja kumwagamo.
Okay.
Wono rende anari kumugori ya kumwaga naiko mwaro mujando tuwate ne westima na njato konye stima na inte turuwe funde ime na ru mujando tuwate monne kabisa yendo kende kya kabere abana abe university boro bomba nyolte ko se basa ri mungina naro yo mo de kuna kuboria egerende nje mwanze manje garo mheshimiwa kwa Nyamoka dore na mheshimiwa na ukwane ndogo goro gende buya.
Asante.
Oburi amaburi abirago tabile ESTIMA te yo nsema.
ESTIMA ne nate bana ESTIMA actually is a big challenge. Ne nago tebina stutara cover is 44% ya constituency so na bora nyole na abu mwaro asoeru tekenyanse karabuga kwa nakuru na bora nyona terayo bono iga bursaries for colleges and universities imbondo gante ku chishu na eligible bursary tokuru na 3rd years and 4th years voka kianto metena we have a new funding model for 1st years and 2nd years except 3rd years and 4th years so ichina itoga ndo issue maybe omoibolio yumo ngino yakwana in due course depending on what's navigate that application na bojo nyona to relate that bursary
Iwe kenyanse kera bwigura ko konyoro mongino yumambi sanga na ere mumanye. Hello Nsoko TV ngotoko sanga na ere.
Yago kuna photo mani. Marsi mwari nyumba. Kurinyandra magarta na to kwartero mo esmiwa. Kama te warnere kurugo bwali. Ya taya soka nyandrama. Ya da yuero. Ato ya rasali.
Direct question yago.
Pare yuere 3 kilometers. Actually pare yuere once re yuere ya ta care. Ya ta soko bwali 3 kilometers. Yo atige tuega tumwa. Ekrea enkoro ziguru mogo mpaka Nyamsi. So out of these kilometers ya tamak nere factored. Chigo tigara kurwa lesero wakoro isirindo barosi aka section ya taka vega lakini ne parensi ne wenda ko koroiso.
Teto bata yo mweri ogaiga irinde tukorire. Hello Nsoko TV. Waire ngotoko sanga na ere karibu sana. Mentario yake na mheshimiwa wara ko iguri vote yao. Ama igaikire. Ipare koro? Ribori ya chirago.
No bumaene, no mwako yakwana no bumaene. Korwa epaleli yabagane twara kabere. Korurogoro chaber, chaplat paka ikonge, na kuru ikonge paka chabera. So no bumaene nambara akano. Mbono baendete korosi arrangements. Kera ntu ikaransa n'abakagete asa koru kumagwagwa tugatwara discussion kara babwate complaint tuga take up that issue including even last week kero tuakora go vet commissioners by National Land Commission abuba etam yawe yarete last year we agreed in the assignment wagenda okole ntangani no to make sure na abaskaba bakanirwe. So igo mwaka na wende kumanyana we have taken up a issue you. There were some technicalities, some technical issues which chiavere sorted. Elinda baka no spin paka mate.
Kore ngiri chiwiriria no isane kire tikatubwate eyo mweri ogaika. Hello Nsoko TV. Hello Nsoko TV. Ekora tari ange nasimi narurikire ujumbe egaiga agotebanga musike oyo nomuya natwagachera police post nyakenimo
ruaki
na bagotebanga nkwa bagachera police station igagu agwaka mbuya mono okoboya kire mono tigatumu wate buno ibo mwerio. Hello Nsoko TV.
Nsoko TV.
Akatoko siekerere fwa irengo toko sanganera.
Sangana kimani nyawachi kor matarora.
Matarora nga yego toke?
Yego toke wadi ya itibu.
Karibu sana. Ribori ya gase mheshimiwa.
Mheshimiwa na moto ya bididi tangani kora mpongeze se moye chipase chiskuru. Nandenga ndase ribori ya ne amabori ara abatoto yo.
Bori eri masenge ncho yebiro.
Amachacha ina na kibono tukatora na nyore. Nestima rende akieka nyoreke yase itaiga. Kifamilia ngisano nduguati. Ono kurumumba ati familia jito tigire iko ono aki naendelende pale ya China. Ono akita to bebeli omo enana etoroseli kakitwa atwa ikorona ntutwa rwari wa China linyaketari.
Yo ruragwe no ibo muherio amacha China ne pare a China tina manya ayuna rari kuru matorora tao.
Kuru matorora eli tibo ward. Amacha China na amacha China ara amacha mange sana. Kronaro stia amacha yu oto abegeta amacha gotirimbo kampaka ange na sobo Moscow nyagwachi. Sagoro kwa Nyamauro Secondary School. Pipe ende tukaira mpaka sagoro kwa Isinta. Ende tukaira secondary school egoro kunyagukiani. Problem neri uboteneneri. Uboteneneri actually management. Kera tuasangani ilikuwa gutwa kwa na basike baliko ruitibo moisonde kana abatende gentoja okora. Utoja kuigorera amacha itonyaro isibona igatuli ko muntu permanently okumanage. Amacha ikiara the minute ogotiga ogoja kwanya rumuntu bekire pipe wira uchiwaye windu igole tapa amacha asira amacha enda bube usomuntu endo jogole gasi ayo chok you know management actually ala is amacha ali China when they go serve area nene ekerale properly managed. So that's why pare ine account government lakini nendo totebi oyuaro kenana oyino mo MCA witbo ward muskira make square na njina bongo mwakirisi binkorwa ilinde motebi bacha barosie pare
No muchando estima ngwa kwa ndasa njo
estima generally actually estima the truth ne linantupa the challenge and estima is an essential utility when the go twara So I know the frustrations abantu bamintu babwate, and we'll do everything possible.
Ona hadi bageri go mheshimiwa na bo kamera yako gari kwandro mugusia so gosieke nkwane to tingo ko boli gosenko andore tutambuye ko mentioning you are defending your seat. Abo kwanda to bano to Mugirango.
Mano Clinton ditangani I'm happy go ichase studio nene mwana twarariganiri wangakere lakini I'm happy today na kuangiriri ba ukwana n'abantu baminto bagusi ne area lions mogo cover nilibaga na maskani amane sana n'ubwanja ni banane so ndete bana amangana utokwana na mangana agosemia abantu baito na kuba the actual position ne bintu bire mono about SGR amangana education na mangana andonsia development aliale ase imetuye itobono iga nende ali se constituency to ne county ngim so igo no gotebia baraibande tubwaterane in essence yogo chorwa gosigotwara elections. I keep on telling abantu basitona onyenga kinere bawende konyora proper services. Abantu bawende konyora proper services across the country. It's now under the new constitution. You can imagine kuru independence itwatwalo montoyo muguru kwa mujumbe, a member of parliament. Lakini karotuansa amangana a devolution 2013. Utawachole president, tuwachoro mo governor, no mo governor yekara chorwa, igako ndolika ministers, olika chief officers or permanent secretaries, olika directors, all government, tuwachore women rep, tuwachoro mo senator, tuwachoro mo MCA. So iga asilia kwa no mo jumbe rebueka litangani before the new constitution. Wano ya cheka baganu marasta. Na ito kwente ko feel at least ina kokole rutolegas. So no go sabanana yo kera succeed ka to kubatera na. To kwa nilio gele mo to manya na we are serving the same person ulio to cholete. Bali ba kuiru bati ya kwenda okora chiga siabo. Baenda batenna babanga chira ini linda bat chora intuna ba abarai. So inero ndasabe to bwaterane ne to tige koramana. Yes. Kera bono gusino to amajigo tuare mangana aliyo kongora na aliyo galioga to isegotiga we can make strides. Otherwise I really appreciate.
Thank you so much mheshimiwa na into to kwa kambi manaso kuri gichinga kichago osanga into watu ari tukolitamba se bunge lakini ndi kwaligirie birogo ikaga gosange no mugusi komwerari agendrete ande mono kone kia serikali ayachorete ngumuikiranire gati ya magendero kolengi mwanchu murigeria na aye kwanyara koba ko gwesemia na kwemanyari agendrire ande mono bamenyu bwensemo ye bunge ya North Mugirango chenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi aiga no to wikira omwerio aseri bagari barongo ya ne Frida Kerubo ne timu ngima kurwa se studio ya kabere kura wana Barnabas Sondari baine kira marugini chibichango chara senchirengia to tebanga nyasaye ka wanchana ndi tumira na sembeo chenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi.